The Church of Saint Fermo Maggiore is located on the banks of the river Adige, in the same place where, according to tradition, the Saints Fermo and Rustico were tortured to death in 304 because of their Christian faith. Its distinguishing feature is that it's made up of two churches placed one on top of the other, the Romanesque lower church and the Gothic upper one. In truth, in the 5th century, a Paleo-Christian church was built to conserve the remains of the two martyrs. However, between 1065 and 1143, the Benedictine monks demolished the early Christian church but kept the original foundations. On these foundations, they built a Romanesque church on two levels: the lower church to keep the relics, the upper to be used for religious functions. In 1261, the church was handed over to the Franciscans, who transformed the upper church into its present Gothic form. In the inside, a single nave in the form of a Latin cross ends in 5 apses. Worthy of note is the multiple keeled wooden ceiling decorated with the images of 416 saints painted on panels. The walls, which in the past were entirely covered in frescoes, still display admirable evidence of the Veronese paintings. Among the numerous lateral chapels, the mausoleum of the Brenzoni family requires a special mention. Built in 1426, this is a large funeral monument in which sculpture and picture form an organic whole. The section painted by the young Pisanello is in perfect harmony with that carved by Nanni di Bartolo. This sculpture represents the resurrection, with the sepulchre opened and the guards fallen unconscious on the ground, while the fresco captures the Annunciation with the Archangel Gabriel and the Madonna, who is shown in an interior scene from a Gothic court. Moving on, the eye falls on the amazing pulpit in the right nave. The base is made of red and white Veronese marble by Antonio da Mestre, and the frescoes painted by Martino da Verona. Its wooden spire represents an excellent example of the Gothic style of the church. The lower church can be reached descending the ancient stairs of the right transept, the most evocative part of the whole complex. It is built in the shape of a Latin cross, with the 3 aisles divided by columns, but the central nave is, in its turn, divided by smaller pillars. The remarkable frescoes of the 12th and 14th centuries, the magnificent 14th century wooden crucifix, and the stone where the Saints Fermo and Rustico were beheaded in the right nave all offer an important insight into the Romanesque church. The Church of Saint Fermo is, along with Basilica of Saint Zeno, Saint Anastasia, and the Cathedral, one of the most famous churches of Verona, and definitely a site not to be missed for those who want to become absorbed in history, art, and spirituality, all of which can be found in this one place.